Hey everyone, welcome to Afghan Kitchen with Abdullah Alami. And today I am going to cook a very special meal of Afghanistan that's called Chapli Kebab. And for that I have all the ingredients. I need ground beef for that 1 kilo. And I have 2 onions that I will chop and I will show you on video. And I have my all spices that is needed for. I have red chili, I have this masala, kebab masala, and I have black pepper, I have cumin, and I have coriander that I will chop it in the machine and I will show you. And I have 1 tomato, I have chilies, garlics, and this masala from Shan. Today I'm using kebab masala and my oil. And the next part will be chopping all the onions and those coriander in the machine, and I will show you how to do it. Now I will put the oil into the pan, and the next part will be when it's hot I will put the kebabs, chapli kebabs. Okay, finally Chapli Kebab is ready and it's looking very delicious and I want to try it for you guys. And I have with it chutney also that I made in the previous some episodes for you, and I showed on the videos. You can go and watch on my YouTube channel. So I have that one also. When you are eating Chapli Kebab, it's very delicious to eat with the chutney. And now I will have a bite for you guys. you have to dip in the chutney. It's very delicious.